Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start from sum number 8. For the previous part, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in sum number 8, A can do a job in 10 days while B can do it in 15 days. If they work together and earn 3500, how should they share the money? So as here first if write down is 1 day work, and that equal to 1 by 10, as same as B's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 15. Now if they work together, then definitely the money, okay, the total money will be divided in the ratio of their work. So that means first you have to find out the ratio of their work, and that will be here 1 by 10 is to 1 by 15. Okay, 1 by 10 is to 1 by 15. So as here LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, so multiply it with 30 is to 1 by 15 into 30, so it becomes here 3 is to 2. Okay, that means the money will be divided by 3 is to 2. So here earning of A, that equal to 3500 into, here's the ratio part of A, that is 3, and in denominator always we have to write down the sum of the ratio. So that means 3500, it's 3 by 5, so here 700, and that equal to 2100. Now next earning of B, that equal to 3500 into 2 by 5, so that equal to 1400 as your answer. Now next sum number 9. So here in sum number 9, A, B, C can separately do a work in 2 days, 6 days and 3 days respectively. Working together, how much time would they require to do it? So first if write down A's 1 day work, and that equal to here 1 by 2. Then B's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 6. Now C's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 3. So definitely here A plus B plus C's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So here 6 is the LCM, so it will be 3 plus 1 plus 2, and that equal to 6 by 6, that equal to 1. Okay, that means A, B, C completed their work together in 1 day. Okay, so that is your first answer. Now if the work earns them 960 rupees, how should they divide the money? That means again you have to find out the ratio of their work. So half is to 1 by 6 is to 1 by 3. If you multiply it by 6, then it will be 3 is to 1 is to 2. So here earning of A, that is 960 into 3 by 6. Okay, then earning of B, that equal to 960 into 1 by 6, and earning of C, that equal to 960 into 2 by 6. So it's 480, it's 160, and it's 320, your answer. So your first answer will be in 1 day, and second answer is 480, 160 and 320. Now let's move on to sum number 10. So here in sum number 10, A, B, C can do a piece of work in 15 days. B alone can do it in 30 days. C alone can do it in 40 days. In how many days A alone do the work? Okay, so as here A, B, C together do the work in 15 days, then 1 day's work. Okay, 1 day's work of A, B and C, that equal to 1 by 15. Then here B's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 30. C's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 40. So definitely here is 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 15 minus, as 1 by 15 is the total of ABC. So 1 by 15 minus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. So it will be here 1 by 15 minus 7 by 120. So that will be here 1 by 120. Okay, 1 by 120 is A's 1 day work. So here the final answer, A complete the whole work. A can complete the whole work in 120 days. That is your answer. Now next one, sum number 11. So here in sum number 11, A, B, C working together can plow a field in 4 whole 4 by 5 days. Okay, that means here it's 24 by 5 days. A and C together can do it in 8 days. How long would B working take alone take to plow the field? So as here A plus B plus C 1 day work, that equal to definitely 5 by 24, the reciprocal of that one, and here A plus C's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 8. So definitely B's 1 day work will be the remaining, that means here 5 by 24 minus 1 by 8. So that equal to here it will be 2 by 24 and that equal to 1 by 12. So B can complete the work in the opposite 12 days. It's very easy. Now next one, sum number 12. So here in sum number 12, A, B together can build a wall in 10 days. B and C working together can do it in 15 days. And C and A together can do it in 12 days. Okay, so that means again you have to write down here A plus B's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 10. Then here B plus C 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 15. Last one C plus A 1 day work, that equal to here 1 by 12. So if you add this one, then you will get here 2 into A plus B plus C's 1 day work, and that equal to addition of 1 by 10, 1 by 15 and 1 by 12. So that equal to will get 15 by 60 and that equal to 1 by 4. So here A plus B plus C's 1 day work. So that 2 will be multiplied with, divide with this one. So it will be 1 by 8. Okay, so that means A, B, C together can complete it in 8 days. Okay, A, B, C together complete the whole work in 8 days. So A plus B plus C can complete the whole work in 8 days. That will be your first answer. Now the second part, also find the number of days taken by each to do the same work working alone. So as here A plus B plus C is 1 day work. Okay, A plus B plus C is 1 day work, that is here 1 by 8. Then if you want to find out only A's, for A's 1 day work, then you have to subtract 1 by 15 from 1 by 8. So here for A's 1 day work, it's 1 by 8 minus 1 by 15 and that equal to here 7 by 120. So 7 by 120 is A's 1 day work. That means A alone takes 120 by 7 days as your final answer. 120 by 7 days for A. As same as for B, if you want to find out for B, then you have to subtract 1 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12 from 1 by 8. So for B's 1 day work, it will be 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. Okay, clear? And that equal to 1 by 24. So your answer will be here 24 for B. And for C, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10, that equal to 1 by 40. So the answer of C, that equal to 40 days. So A equal to 120 by 7 days, B equal to 24 days, and C equal to 40 days. Now sum number 13, that is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here a pipe can fill a tank in 12 hours. Okay, so that means in 1 hour, definitely the pipe fills 1 by 12 part of the tank. Okay, now by mistake a waste pipe at the bottom is left opened and the tank is filled in 16 hours. That means a waste pipe is left open and it filled 16 hours. That means 4 hours more. Okay, it takes 4 hours more. So when the waste pipe is open, then the pipe takes, then in 1 hour it takes 1 by 16 part, or it filled 1 by 16 part of the tank when the waste pipe is opened. Clear? So the portion, of the tank, emptied by the waste pipe. So the portion of the tank emptied by the waste pipe in 1 hour, that equal to definitely 1 by 12 minus 1 by 16, and that equal to here 4 minus 3 by 48 as the LCM. So 1 by 48. So your answer will be therefore waste pipe takes 48 hours to empty the tank.